First time ni Mimi to. Kaya hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging reaction niya. Sana happy siya.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zeus! Welcome back sa aming channel! For today's video, tayo ay naglalakad dito sa kahabaan ng mga tricycle. Kami ngayon ay nandito sa mall dahil meron kaming mga bibilhin ng mga giveaways para sa birthday ni Mimi, para sa school niya. So, napag-isipan namin na dito kami sa mall bibili. Kasi usually sa school, pag birthday mo, kakantahan ka daw nila, magdadala kami ng cake. And then, si Mimi kasi usually, nakaka-receive siya ng mga giveaways din from her classmates at tuwang-tuwa siya. So, yun din yung naisip namin ni Andy na gawin sa birthday niya. Actually, kinausap kami ng teacher kung ano yung plans namin. Tapos pinagawan din niya kami ng mga milestones na pwede naming isubmit.
First time.
Oo, first time niya magbe-birthday. Actually, excited siya. Kunyari pa siya. Nung una sabi niya ayaw niya. Pero tinatanong niya ako kailan daw siya kakantahan.
The bird she said yesterday.
Oo, sabi hindi pa daw siya
Maybe
kakantahan ng happy birthday. Eh, hindi niya pa naman birthday. Ngayon kasi mga Zeus, ano pa lang, Friday, September 12. And ang birthday niya September 14. Pero Sunday yun. Maghahanda lang kami ng konti sa bahay. Tapos September 15, doon namin siya pupuntahan. So pwede kami ni Andy daw pumunta sa school para magdala ng cake. Kaya yun, sa Monday kami pupunta ni Andy sa school niya. At magdadala kami ng siguro mga burgers, fries. Kasi dapat easy lang daw to eat dun sa classroom nila. Tapos magdadala kami ng cake para kantahan si Mimi. First time ni Mimi to. Kaya hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging reaction niya. Sana happy siya. Kasi usually alam niya naman pag nag-blow siya pag may mga birthday siya, usually nag-blow ng cake kahit hindi niya birthday. So this time, sana hindi siya mahiya sa mga classmates niya. Ito na, nandito na kami sa Toys R Us. Tingin ako ng mga eco bag, little toys, tapos mga candies, and mga chocolates. Kaya halika na, samahan niyo kami. Inabutan tayo ng pagkalakas-lakas ng ulan from UP Town sa mall kung saan kami bumili ng mga pang-giveaways ni Mimi. Punta agad kami sa school ni Aliyah and sobrang lakas ng ulan. Then hinatid niya ate si Aliyah at ako nag-end up ako dito at nagpagawa na ako ng nails ko kasi meron akong event tomorrow. Tingnan ninyo, pati yung paa ko pinagawa ko na din. Ayan, nag-colorless lang ako kasi mas madali siyang i-maintain so far. And I needed to rest my nails sa gel kasi sobrang nipis niya na. So yun yung isa sa mga disadvantages lang sa akin ng nails ever since yung gel. Yun yung isa sa disadvantages ng gel sa akin kasi numinipis talaga yung aking mga nails. Kaya ayan, siya sabi niya nakakatulog to si Mimi kanina. At ngayon, gising na siya. Ngayon naman, wala na kaming lakad. Uwi na kami. Tapos na yung mga errands. And baka i-pack ko na yung mga pinamili namin pang giveaway si Mimi. Matutuwa yun. Sabihin ko sa kanya na sumali siya. Alam mo yun, iba yung dating kasi kapag kasali yung mga bata. Anyway, tapos na ako dito. Pinapatuyo ko lang yung nail polish ko. And then, uuwi na kami. Ayan, ito na yung mga nabili namin para kay Mimi. Ito yung mga loot bags.
My friend.
Yeah, para kanina yan.
From my
For your classmates. Ito, oh. Wow. Ang dami, memes. Can you help me? Yeah, can you help me? You and Ate Yas, help me?
mommy.
You wanna do it? Huh? Show me? Mimi's pictures. Yeah, when she was born daw. Where's the other one? You tell them.
Me.
That's all of you. Mimi's first birthday. Ang dami, no? Should we open the bags? Put everything? So, si Mimi, meron siyang 31 classmates.
2.
Hindi ka na. Ay, Mimi, wag mong galawin yan. Let's do this, Ate Yas.
Open it. What is this? Mommy, this can be my friend.
Yeah.
Oh, good. More. Oh, look.
Ang dami, Mimi.
My friend like this.
Are you packing one na already?
Yeah, for my friend.
Oh, kanina yan. Kay Simi? Oh my gosh, parang Halloween, Mimi. Dami candy. Ayun pa, Yas. Ito, wag muna. Wag muna itong iba kasi baka sumobrang dami. Ang dami na eh. Hi, Mimi. What's that?
I ate ice cream.
Where?
Here
There. Where were you?
at my birthday. with
Third
my
birthday.
sister.
Good job.
And me
Saan ka
dancing
niyan?
ice cream
Okay.
and water plants my birthday.
Okay. How about this one?
When I was giving birth when I was a baby.
Mm-mm.
This is me a baby.
Christmas pa yan.
I was 5 when I was baby.
Oo.
Here?
You giving birth lang si Mimi niyan. I just gave birth.
Yeah.
Your first Christmas. This is you learning how to crawl. This is your
my
birthday.
first birthday.
But you're crying.
And my I walk
Yeah.
first.
And then you're trying to stand up here.
Yeah. And also here.
That's the first time in Australia.
Yeah, first time in Australia.
This is the park.
Yeah, this is me, a baby. When I was giving birth to my mom, it's Chan.
Okay, galing ka sa tiyan ko.
Yes.
Yes. Para saan ba yan?
And I'm learning crawling.
Mm-mm.
And this is me sitting down.
In the park.
Yeah, in the
Because you
park.
love outdoors, di ba?
Yeah, this is me learning standing up. And this is me when this is my name.
Mm-mm. Yan. Saan ba natin yan gagamitin? Saan natin to bibigay?
Hey, Teacher Joanna, this is my birthday.
Third birthday.
Yes. This is my ice cream. I eat it. Yummy chocolate.
Mm-mm.
My dad.
How about this one? What's that
Water
about?
plants
Because?
because I water plants
Always.
there.
Mm-mm.
And this is my birthday cake.
Mm-mm.
Me.
And your sister.
Yes.
Galing,
And this
no?
is why this.
Saan ba yan?
Australia. I got ice cream also.
Mm-mm.
And this is me.
You love it?
Yes. This is my
Yeah.
when I was a baby, I'm here. Mommy Santo sleeping
Sa hospital yan.
when I'm giving birth.
When I gave birth to you. Natapos na namin ni Mimi yung
This to my room.
yung pagbabalot ng mga
Mama, can I
giveaways. Yes, of course. You can keep that.
Bye. I
Bye.
love you guys for my friend.
Oh, kiss naman si Mami. Did you like my surprise? Yeah?
For my friends here.
Mm-mm.
I got them a candy.
Oh, you show one. Get one and show them. Tapos na namin, itinago ko. Yan. Ang dami.
This.
Oh, you put them back na. We have to reserve that kasi we're gonna give them on Monday, di ba?
Yes, Monday.
Monday pa. Excited si Mimi ipamigay yung mga giveaways niya, mga treats niya sa kanyang classmates. Di ba first time mo sa school mag-birthday?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to say it to my friends. Happy birthday to me.
Kakantahan ka nila? We will bring a little bit of cake lang. Just small one.
No, big.
Big!
Yeah.
Big pala, Daddy.
But I
Okay.
want a big cake. In my daddy's cake. Hi.
Bye-bye na.
Bye. Can I off it?
Kita.
Ayan.
Oh!